Hello ma'am, hello sir. My name is Hazel Vera Quijano, 37 years of age, married, a mother of a one child, a 3 years old boy. I am a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Elementary Education. I describe myself as a person. I am happy, honest, kind, responsible, trustworthy, and I can work for vision. Those are my work experience here in Philippines. I work as a volunteer teacher in our barangay. I'll teach 3 to 5 years old children and I work as all-around housemates for 4 years. My main duties is taking care of children, a 10 years old and a 3 years old, both girl. And also I can do a household course like cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, tutoring, cooking food. I know how to cook a Filipino food like chicken and pork adobo, tinola, sinigang, nilaga, pinakbet, ginisang gulay. I don't know how to cook a Chinese food, but I am eager to learn Chinese cooking. My message to my future employer, I am happy and excited to work with you, and I promise I will be nice, honest, and a good helper to your family. Thank you and God bless.